These AI jelly object videos are absolutely exploding on social media right now. Just take a look at this Instagram account. It was started recently, and it has already gained more than 75,000 followers by posting this exact style of content. Some of the videos have already reached millions of views. Now let me show you what I created with AI in less than 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step method to create these viral videos for 100% free. First, you'll need my master prompt. You can find the download link in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select OmniFlash as the video model. Next, set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Now scroll to the designated object section of the prompt. Here, simply replace the object with anything you want. For this example, I'm going to use a blue dolphin. That's it. Click Generate and wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your AI jelly object video. And just like that, your video is ready. The best part is that you can create unlimited variations using this same prompt. Try different animals, fruits, vehicles, household items, or any object you can imagine. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I upload brand new viral AI video niches regularly and you won't want to miss the next one.